So it's time for an EDC update, so I'll just get cracking with the Mackin. Start off with the phone, just a Huawei P30 Pro, got a new case for it, I like it. Besides that, it's the phone, does phone stuff. Usually use it for YouTube videos, but I'm using a proper camera now. Anyway, got a bandana, always handy. Notepad, right in the rain. And a pen. Hinder Investigator. Can't remember the model. Stainless steel. Not the best pen I've ever owned. Nearly lost it countless times, but whatever. And a watch. Got a TW Steel. Awesome watch. Got an Olight IO2 or I2O baton, one of the originals. I dig it. Only thing I hate about it, which is what I hate with most flashlights like this, is that magnet. Every time you take stuff out of your pocket, or you take this out of your pocket, and you've got anything magnetic, it attaches itself to that. Or you put it down near something, they just jump to it, which it annoys the hell out of us. But anyway, got a coin pouch with coins in it. And my normal wallet. Got a Trivax Contour in the same homemade wallet chain with a brass bead on it. No problems with that whatsoever. Also started work again. It's only temporary, it could be a few days, few weeks, few months. Depends on the employer. But when I'm at work, I'm changing the TW Steel for a Casio GA100MC. And I'm adding a filthy Gerber MP600 being used today. And also the keys. These are also covered in mud, because I've had to use the knife wearing gloves that were covered in mud. But I've just got the Victorinox Classic SD. Got the lantern thing, titanium Chinese whistle, thing for the camera mount on the strap, with my backpack, Uncle Bill Silver grippers, and the Olight, I think it's the E01, which is still working okay, a little stiff. And that's it for my personal EDC. I'll get into the bag now. So still doing street photography on the weekends. For that I'm using the 511. Forgot the model, I think it's the Rush 2.0. So inside the bag I got an original Sony A7 with a vintage 25mm lens and a Nikon AF 35mm real camera. Got that loaded with black and white film. So I got a 28 to 70mm lens for the Sony in case I want to reach out a little bit further. Got a spare battery for the Sony and a power bank for the GoPro. A GoPro Hero Session with a cold shoe mount so that I can stick it on either the Sony or the Nikon. That way I can do some filming for the photography channel as well. And that's all I keep in the 511. So for the work bag I'm using the Dutch Army Patrol Pack. And as far as the contents of the work bag goes, it's nothing fancy. Got some RAF issue Gore-Tex pants, British Army issue Gore-Tex jacket, first aid kit, spare green vests because I've got to wear an item of high-vis clothing. Normally I wear full high-vis, but obviously if I'm wearing the Gore-Tex stuff it's not high-vis, so I've got to stick that over the jacket. Saying that though, half the people that wear at work they don't bother with the high-vis anyway. But whatever. Got some hand sanitizer, earplugs, lunchbox and a cat's paw pry bar. And that's it for this month. Thanks for watching.